How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of belly fat for men, an easy tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999. So I've been bodybuilding, powerlifting, you guys, for about 13 years. One of the tips I'm going to give you, very easy trick to lose belly fat, is you want to increase the amount of exercise that you are doing. For me, when I go down to only working out twice a week, it is very hard to lose weight. When I'm working out, lifting weights 6 times a week, losing weight is simple. It is very simple. Here is why. Every time you guys work out, you burn calories, correct? What a lot of people don't know is you don't just burn calories for that workout. That's what a lot of people think. They're like, okay, I just lifted weights. I burned, say, 250 calories this workout. No, that's not how it works. Your body will continue to burn calories at a higher rate for about the next 24 hours. Your body will continue to burn calories at a higher rate. When we're talking about weight loss, metabolism and the amount of calories that you can burn is everything. You take someone that has a slow metabolism, it's going to be extremely difficult for them to lose weight. Even if they track their calories, they do everything correctly, it's just that much harder with a slower metabolism. If you have someone that has a fast metabolism, they're going to be eating pizza, burgers, fries, they're going to be eating all this food, and they're not going to gain a pound because their metabolism is processing all that energy so quickly, you guys. So we want to try to increase that metabolism. And there are things that you can naturally do to help to increase your metabolism. And one of those things right off the bat is increasing the amount that you are exercising. Because again, it's not just how many calories you burn in that one session. Every time you work out, you're burning calories after that session for a long period of time. So we want to try to get in as many workout sessions as we can. That's why when people say, hey, you want to lose weight, combine exercise and diet. That is literally the best thing that you can do. The people that only diet, they make it so much harder on themselves, you guys. So the easiest thing that I can tell you is try to lift weights. Lifting weights burns calories after you have done it for a longer period of time as opposed to cardio. Cardio, you might burn a little bit more for that session depending how much you go, but you don't burn it as much at the end of the session. What you can do, if you really want, is combine lifting weights and cardio. That would be really good. What I like to do a lot of times is I'll do my lifting weights for about an hour, and then I'll do cardio for about 20 to 30 minutes. That's what I do when I'm losing weight, and it works tremendously. Another quick tip is to try to drink some coffee or caffeine. Coffee has been proven to increase metabolism. I thought I read somewhere that it said about 30%, increase of metabolism by about 30%. Don't quote me on that. I just remember reading somewhere that's what I thought. But I know for a fact coffee does raise metabolism. The percent that it increases your metabolism, not quite sure, but thought I read somewhere that it was 30%. Anyways, quick little tricks, you guys. That's what I recommend to do. You don't need to track your calories to lose weight. I know everyone says track your calories. It does make it easier, but it's not, you don't have to do it. I haven't tracked my calories in 2 months, you guys. I'm still maintaining my weight, my strength in the gym, everything. I like my life better when I'm not tracking my calories. Not tracking every little thing, you guys. It's just so much easier. It's so much funner. So that's what I recommend. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.